Yo, hi guys. We're playing Pixel Blade again. So let's go. Still pretty sick, but I'm pretty okay now. I didn't play. So if you guys say I'm cheating, no. How do I get a ring? Main chest open. Sorry guys. Yes, I'll take this. I'll take the godly chest. Let's open the godly chest. Let's check. I hope I get something good like a sickle again because I love the sickle. Yes. Yo! Oh my god! I got another. Okay, I love this one. I actually love the godly chest now. Oops. I gotta do something because yo poison. So it this mean this is a poison blast that. Oh my god! This is too OP. I cannot play rage in the game mode. Okay. So let's go. I still cannot finish this. As you know guys, last time I died 2 times. If you hadn't watched, boom. You hadn't watched my other video. Yo, this actually is so OP. One shot. Yo, I one shot them. Oh my god. This sickle is so OP. It's so OP. So OP. So OP. Yo, this is actually so OP. I love this sword. Bro, what is that damage? Okay, I love this sword. I love this, bro. Ow. Bro, that didn't even hit me. How did that hit me? Your range is so ridiculous. Boom. I'm dead. I love this, bro. Flame damage. Nope, you're not getting me. Yeah, let's go! Oh my god, this is so OP. I'm so happy that I bought that. Oh, this guy again. Okay, the damage is actually so OP. I love this sword. Oh my god. Oh my god. But if you guys play this game, I know you're much more OP than me. There you go, die. Because I hate you guys, you take all of my health. Let's go. Yeah. Oh no. It hurts. It hurts. Can you guys load me? Please load me. And you too. You too. Yo, I can one-shot most of them. I love this sword, bruh. Ow. Yep, dodge, speed, die. I hate you guys. I hate the mage. I hate the mage, bruh. Ow. Take this. Take that. Take this. Take that. Take that. Let's go. I love this, bro. I hope I can upgrade this to max level. Because it's so OP. For me, it's so OP. Ow. Stop comboing me. Yeah. Yeah. Boom. Boom. Back. Let's go. I'm actually kinda liking this game. Oh no, the boss. I need to heal some stamina, or I will be cooked. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go, guys. I'm gonna defeat this boss once and for all. Giant goblin. Hope you're ready. I got stronger. Yup. Done. Yup. Boom. Now time for only the boss. Ow. I hate you so much. Oh no! Oh no! Quit spamming the app. Oh my god! I hate this guy. I hate this guy so much. No, I hate this guy. Oh my god! I'm gonna crash out. I hate that guy. I'm not going to... What the what? Ow. Obtain an elemental circle. Ooh, that's cool. Boom! 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 Bop! Lifesteal. I'ma get you. I'ma get you too. I'ma get you too. Yup. Damn. I love this sword, bro. Yup. Ow. Phew. Yeah. I hate you guys. Oh yeah. I get me. Ow. Really hurts. It turns to yep, I'll take that. Thank you for the health. Let's go. Ow. Let's go. The life steal is pretty good, guys. Okay, my stamina is good now. Ow. Yep. Boom. Let's go. Oof. No tires. I hate you guys. Let's go. Frost damage, yeah. I'll take that. Let's go. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Ow. Ow. Yep. That hurts. Yep. I'm healing a lot of health. The lifesteal is actually kinda helping me. Ow. Ow. Okay, I hate those mortars. The lifesteal is so good. Critical, yeah, I'll take that. Final the boss is here. I hope I win. It's starting. Yes. Finally. Yep. Another one? Oh my god, this is gonna be so hard. Yep. Let's go. Poison damage. Yes, I will take that. Whew. Yep. New enemies. Wow. Boom. Let's go, guys. that? I must see my drops in a bit. Let me see my drops. There's nothing related to that. Nothing good. Yep. I hate you. I hate you. Ladies, I hate you too. Ow, I hate this. I hate the giants because they always stun me. Dodge out. They're cooking me. They're comboing me. That hurts. Let's go. I need to really dodge these guys. Ow. Sorry guys. Sorry guys. The enemies are getting stronger. This is not good. They have more health. Take that. Critical points. I need that for this boss. Yeah. Ow. Yeah. Whew. I survived. Oh. I didn't see there. Boss time. Oh no.
It's a peace that you seek, yet you kill the others with the illusion of harmony. Lend me the strength of your blood, and you shall join the wrath.
Oh. Kingsley. To lock in, guys. Okay. Stop! Stop! Thank you for the help. Yep, that hurts. The freezing is helping me there, and fire and my poison. Let's go! You have been defeated. Oh no. Oh no. Whoa. That animation was dope. Yes, I'll take it. That was a crazy journey. And I finally beat the boss. Yay! Yo, I have another godly chest. I hope I get a legendary, guys. Coins, breastplate, iron armor, blood sickle, ninja blade. How rare is the ninja? Oh, I have another one. Let me see how rare. Oh, it's not even rare. Okay, okay. Yes! Ninja blade. Let's go. I finally won, guys. Oof. That was very hard to beat that boss. But let's go. I finally beat it. So guys, if you want to see more Pixelblade, like and subscribe, and see you guys. Bye bye.